help me hold this up. Right there. Okay, you got it?
I've got it.
Okay.
Okay, like I was telling Skip, this is a little higher.
Okay, look at your bubble. Is that perfectly in the middle?
That's pretty good.
Okie doke.
So then I'm going to mark these holes while we hold that level. Okay. 16th hole.
Yeah. Perfect, perfect. Good.
Okay.
Now,
Perfect.
moment of truth.
Yeah, yeah. They were holding it together.
Yeah, those were just placeholders.
Placeholders.
Keep the parts together and not lose parts.
Okay. Screwdriver.
Okay, so we want to test the tension on that. It shouldn't be so hard that you can't move
But
it.
you can't move it.
You should be able to turn it to the side.
Yeah,
down
that
the
one's.
way.
Okay,
Okay, go down.
so that's going to slide in. Once you get past that top screw, it's a little bit easier. I may need to.
Or just slide those out.
Where's that screwdriver? I may need to loose those a little bit.
You can slide these.
We've got two plugs. The bottom plug is always on. It's for the lights. The top plug is a timer, and it'll go on and off in 30-minute intervals. We also have a switch here that can turn both plugs on, but normally that would be in the clock position or the timer position. Now, the way this works is, this is kind of tedious, but we're going to have to pull all of these switches up and then put every second one or every other one down. You don't have to tape the whole thing.
So it'll go off in every 30-minute increments.
Right.
Okay.
Rather light, aren't they? Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Yeah. They start out as a solid clay pellet. They are heated and puffed up like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get that a little close so they don't bounce.
And so we're going to fill this up, and then we're going to test it, and we're going to make it balanced for the fish before we put the fish in.
Right.
Okay?
There's a red toggle switch.
Yes.
Turn it to the on position. If you like. Oh, there you go.
Oh my God, I love it. I'm so excited.
Oh.
I want them all over my house.